Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage marketing automation with ActiveCampaign, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing marketing automation with ActiveCampaign, first, create an account on the ActiveCampaign website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, focusing on the main menu options. Next, click on Automations found in the left sidebar. Select Create an Automation to start building your first workflow. You will be prompted to choose a starting point for your automation. Select from options like Start from Scratch or use pre-built recipes based on common goals. If you choose to start from scratch, click on Start from Scratch and then Continue. This opens the Automation Builder, where you can click on Add Trigger to define what will initiate your automation. Next, click on Add a Condition if you want to filter your audience further. You can set conditions based on tags, custom fields, or engagement metrics. Once your triggers and conditions are set, it's time to add actions. Click on Add Action to choose what will happen after the trigger fires. Common actions include sending an email, adding a tag, or moving a contact to another list. After selecting an action, configure its settings, such as selecting the specific email to send. Continue to add more actions as needed to streamline your workflow. You can also incorporate delays by clicking on Add a Delay. This option allows you to set time intervals between actions. Once you've built your automation flow, review each step for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, click the Active button to turn on your automation. To optimize your workflow, monitor its performance through the automation reports. Access these reports by going back to the Automations menu. Regularly check metrics like open rates and click-through rates to gauge success. Make adjustments as needed based on this data for better engagement. Lastly, explore ActiveCampaign's other features like CRM and analytics for a comprehensive marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.